Hi everybody, just rolled out of bed. I have my favorite t-shirt on. Why? Because it's comfortable and it's really, really big. But today, all throughout the day, I'm just gonna wear this, but into a bunch of different looks. Kind of 5, but you can have variation on that. Anyways, so this is my roll out of bed look. Comfortable. And usually now I'm going to my workout routine. So since it's really big, with a t-shirt, I'll fold the bottom up and grab the 2 corners and tie it. So now you got a cute top to work out with. And now I want to go out. So usually my style is pretty funky. I like asymmetrical stuff. So I pull one sleeve out. And I wrap this long sleeve to the back. Grab a pin. There you go. A cute asymmetrical top dress. Now it's a dress because it's long enough. And now I want a different look. So instead of one sleeve, I'll pull 2 sleeves out. If you're going to the beach, this will be perfectly fine. If I want it to be a little dressier, accessorize. So this is one of my favorite belts because it goes with almost everything. Ta-da! And now I'm going to go for a more evening look. And I like to change into different glasses. Matching, matching. With a cute little pair of black pumps, and I'm done. So that was under a minute. Oh, well, 2 minutes, but that works too. Bye.